Welcome back to Excel Academy. Today we are going to look at how to use the division function, as it were, within Excel. And to do so, just pulled up an NBA example here with some familiar names from the newer version of the league and some of the older players for any of the older listeners here. But for our young viewers, some of these should look pretty familiar. Anyway, we're going to look at something simple as you figuring out a stat, right? So in this case, you have the numbers of games each of these players have played, the points that they have scored over the course of these games, and then you also have the number of rebounds they have. So we're just going to use points per game, which is a normal metric that teams will track for basketball. And we'll use that to figure out how to divide things in Excel. So here we go. Before I get started, I want to also remind you to like and subscribe. I'm going to be posting some more content using examples like this, sports examples. So if you like it, if you want to see certain sports or have certain questions about Excel, feel free to like or comment. Leave a comment rather below, and I will be sure to try to incorporate that in an upcoming video. So any function that you do in Excel always starts with equal sign. And that's because Excel needs to know what to reference. Since here we're looking at the number of points a player has, we're going to go here to column D. You have D2, and then you're going to divide. So it's / and then the number of games, so points per game. So we have 90 divided by 5. So that's how you do it. So you can see here it just spits out simple number 18 in this case. Instead of applying this formula, writing it again and again all the way down, just double click on the corner here, and then you can see that Excel just applies the formula to the rest of that. Now just to clean it up, you can use the arrows here to remove the number of decimals you want. You might want to see the tenths place. If not, I think round numbers are best for this example. So you can see the